Are your localized application logic application failing because of the Change Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. I've linked the primary utility for Change Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Change Library, a specialized utility library used by several enterprise database and synchronization tools to manage the change tracking logic between localized data stores and remote servers. It monitors file metadata for modification timestamps. If missing, the synchronization process will fail to identify updated files, leading to a data integrity mismatch or a sync engine failure notification. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Since Change Library DLL is an embedded part of the localized application logic architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Change Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please use caution. Replacing Change Library DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Change Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Change Library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support